Hello and welcome to your next car and the walk around video for the 218i M Sport Coupe, presented in black sapphire metallic, and alongside that we've also added a full Your Next Car M Performance body styling kit to the car. And further enhancing that lovely exterior styling, we've added a set of brand new 18-inch BBS CSL Style Alloy wheels that are brand new, and they really do make a very standout styling to the car. At the front you'll see it's 2015 65 reg, and as well as those very eye-catching alloy wheels down the side of the vehicle, you'll see that black sapphire is very nicely presented on this 2 Series, alongside the satin side vinyls, matching sidebars and YNC Mperformance decals. And we shall shortly go on and show you the interior for this car. Once again, you can see there that all of the additions we've made really do help this 2 Series stand out on an already very eye-catching and very stunning car. The interior is one of my personal favourites once again for the 2 Series. We've got the half Alcantara, half cloth highlight seats, and again they're all in very nice condition. It's a 6-speed manual in this car, and we will touch on more of the interior details shortly when I go around and take a seat inside. We've got an Isofix 2x2 seat arrangement with a central storage tray, and you again get that darkened M Sport headlining, which does of course work very nicely with those Alcantara seats. Moving round to the back of the car, I will try and get it through as best as possible on the video, but these wheels really do sit on this 2 Series very nicely. And of course, being brand new, they are all unmarked. At the back of the car, we once again added a high gloss rear boot spoiler and matching diffuser. And if you've not yet seen the boot on a 2 Series coupe, you'll be very pleasantly surprised, as there is a great amount of space in there. And you do also get split folding seats to further make that a larger area. Moving on around to the back of the other side of the car, you'll again be able to see that those enhancements we've made really do make this a very eye-catching and striking looking car. And of course, everything is as clean and tidy as it should be. And we will go on now, and I will take a seat inside the car and just run yourself through a couple of the interior features in a bit more detail. Starting, of course, with the BMW business navigation and media screen that is equipped to the car. And I shall also start the vehicle up. Starting with the navigation, as you can see there on screen, we've also got to keep you connected, Bluetooth for telephone and audio, DAB radio, and a wide array of other multimedia inputs, including the CD. External devices covers you for your USB inputs, AUX inputs and Bluetooth audio, as I mentioned. I did of course say it was a 6-speed manual vehicle. On the multifunction M Sport steering wheel, we've got the speed limiter, voice and volume controls, along with this vehicle's covered just over 40,000 miles. So that is a quick look around this very nice 218i M Sport Coupe. We've made some very nice additions to here at Your Next Car, and hopefully you've enjoyed the walk around, and hopefully we'll see yourselves very soon. If you do of course want some further information on the car, please do of course get in touch. I will of course always leave the contact information alongside website links in the description, where of course you can check the car out in more detail, along with prices, as well as funding options. Thank you very much. Do of course take care, and we'll hopefully see yourself soon. Take care, goodbye.